Do you want to sing it? Once in China. Is that the song?
Okay.
What is it called?
Everything Cha-Cha-Cho.
Yeah, we can sing Chi-Cha-Cho. You gonna sing it?
Okay.
Once in China, there lived an old man. His name was Chick-a-racka-Chi-Cha-Cho. He kept his spooky tails out so long and sold them for Chinese money. Chick-a-racka-Chi-Cha-Cho, Chick-a-loro, Bungaloro, Biggy-Wiggy-Go, Hoko-Poko-Adama-Koko, Chitty-Bite-Chitty-Bite-Chi-Cha-Cho. Chinese man had a wife. She led him a wonderful life. She cut his pigtails off so long and sold them for Chinese song. Chick-a-racka-Chi-Cha-Cho, Chick-a-loro, Bungaloro, Biggy-Wiggy-Go, Hoko-Poko-Adama-Koko, Chitty-Bite-Chitty-Bite-Chi-Cha-Cho. Go ahead and sing it. You sing it. Can you sing it? You sing me a song. Grandma loves you to pieces. Do you know Chi-Cho? Do you know Smile? Smile. Whoa, almost hit your bean off the table there, Missy. Careful. Blow kisses, good night.
Good night.
I love you.
I love you. I love you. Bye. Bye, Christmas.
You felt like great Poppy.
Good night, sweet puppy.
Good night, Papa Doo.
Good night, Puppy Doo.
Sing Chi-Cho.
Bye, Daddy Joe.